If you pay taxes in Kenya, listen up. KRA has just released a brand new public notice dated 10th November 2025, and it's changing things up for taxpayers starting now. There are two major changes you need to know. Number one, KRA has introduced a brand new way to pay your tax debts in installments. It's called the Automated Payment Plan, and it applies to everyone. Whether you are an individual taxpayer or a registered company, you can now settle your outstanding taxes over several months through iTax. You must have a valid KRA PIN, your tax debt must not be under dispute, and you must be compliant on iTax to qualify. Number two, starting January 2026, KRA will begin verifying all incomes and expenses declared on your tax returns. This affects both individuals and businesses. KRA will cross-check what you declare against data from eTIMS invoices, withholding tax records, and import or export data. That means whatever you report on your return must match the actual figures captured in the KRA system. So whether you are a freelancer, a small business owner, or running a registered company, these two updates affect how you file and manage your tax going forward. In my next videos, I will explain exactly how the new installment payment plan works, who qualifies, and how to apply step by step. Then we will break down how KRA's 2026 return validation will actually work and how you can prepare early. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because these changes start affecting you immediately. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and see you in the next episode.